Upset with the district administration clamping the entire Shillong city under Section 144 CRPC after 10 p.m., Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo said stray incidents are always there, not only in Shillong. They happen everywhere in the world, but that doesn't mean that you will have to close everything. The minister assured that the state government will convene a high-level meeting today to review the law and order situation. The East Khasi Hills District Administration had issued an order under Section 144 CRPC prohibiting opening of shops, restaurants, enterprises in the entire Shillong city after 10 p.m.
Due respect to the officer concerned, when you have shops and everything is open, then there is more safety. When everything is shut, how do you instill that sense of confidence that everything is normal? How do you encourage local entrepreneurs to turn to tourism if things are shut at 10? And what happens if you have hotel guests arriving at 10?
Meghalaya Govt